Thank you all for coming. My name is Travis Kimball. I'm one of the founding partners of Quack Car Wash. And this, making his introduction, is Quackos. Let's hear it for Quackos. Just want you to know that we're excited to be here in Draper. It's just incredible, honestly.
We're really happy to have Quack here in Draper, and I think you're going to be a great addition to the city.
Well, welcome. We're very grateful to have good employers and good tax-paying businesses. We think it's awesome. Thank you.
We're grateful that you're here, and we've been to several of your grand openings. We'll be to another one next week. And welcome to South Valley. Welcome to Draper. We're part of your team.
Travis says that this is the best part of what we do for the community, and so we found the Westmorelands, Nicole, Jim, their wonderful son, Kyler. Let me tell you something. This guy's got a lot of stamina. He has overcome a lot of obstacles in his lifetime. And with everybody's efforts, and with Travis and our Quack team, we doubled the amount that was raised last night. And so we would like to go ahead and award to the Westmoreland family a check for $5,600. So this is going to be a wonderful motorized wheelchair for Kyler. And
3, 2, 1.
Free car washes to be able to keep it going.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Hey, good morning. How you doing? Well, good. For being here so early, being one of our first customers on our grand opening, we're going to give you a year of free car washes.
Okay, thank you.
So, well, you earned your year of free car washes. That is awesome dedication. Well, here's a year of free car washes for you. For being here so early, we got a year of free car washes for you. Hey, my name is Travis Kimball. Just want to congratulate all our winners here in Draper, Utah at our grand opening. We're so excited to kick it off. 12 days of free car washes. We hope to see you soon, and don't drive dirty.